Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. How are you today? Hope you all are fine in your houses. This is our maths class and our topic is data handling. We will continue our previous video in this new video. I'm your teacher Lubna and hope you all are ready for the new topic. In the previous video, we have already discussed about data and methods of data handling. Let us revise that data handling can be done in two different styles, lists and tables and pictograms. In list and tables, we will make different rows and columns for showing our data. But in pictogram, we will write the information or data in the form of pictures and in symbols. Let us know more about pictogram. What is pictogram? The data can also be represented by drawing, pictures, and symbols. It is called a pictogram. I can explain you this method in detail by using this example. Here we have one example of students who likes different fruits. The example here shows the number of students of a class who like different fruits. Some students like apples, some like bananas, 3 students like strawberries, 2 students like pear, and 4 students like grapes. Can you tell me how many like bananas? Yes, great. 7 students like banana. Here we have one example. I took this example from our learner's book, page number 98. Fatma has collected data about her friends. How do they travel to school? We have different methods of traveling. Her 6 friends travel by bus. Some students are going to school by walk. Some are traveling by car. And 3 students are using bicycle to go for school. How many students are going by walk? Yes, great. Her 4 friends are going to school by walk. She represents this data in the form of pictogram also. I will show you this information in the form of pictogram. Let us talk about the components of pictogram. Every pictogram has different components. Here we have 4 different components. The components are title, symbols, keys, and labels. First, we will talk about title. The title tells us what the pictograph is about. In this example, the title tells us how Fatma's friends are traveling to school. Then we will talk about symbols. Symbols tells us the given number of objects. Here we have smiling faces, which are telling us how many students are traveling by car, buses, and cycles. Then we can talk about keys. The keys tell us that each smiling face is equal to one friend. Then we have labels. Labels tell us what kind of data is shown. In this example, labels give us the information about the mode of transport. Now, we will discuss our example in detail. In the previous slide, you have this table done by Fatma. It shows the table having rows and columns to represent how her friends travel to school. Now, we shall represent this table into a form of pictogram. Instead of writing the word bus, we show it in the form of pictures. 6 students travel by bus. Instead of writing the number 6, we have drawn 6 smiling faces. The key shows what does each smiling face mean. It means each smiling face stands for one friend of Fatma. Similarly, we have shown how many of them walk, how many travel by car, and how many travel by a bicycle. Can you tell me how many of them are traveling by a car? Yes, good. 5 friends of Fatma traveling by a car. Hope we have learned a lot of information about a pictogram. Also, it was fun about pictogram. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time. Bye.